Alright, so we'll do a little bike check here since it's winter and I can't ride and I have nothing else better to do. So we'll start off in the front. I got Cult Leader bars V2 with 8.75 rise and chrome. ODI long neck grips, by far the best grips I've ever rode with. Odyssey par ends. Sunday Freeze top load, I painted it black. I got the Mechanic STI standard integrated headset because my bike came in standard. Got the stock forks full chromoly that came with the bike. The unique thing about these is that it's 14 mil front, so it's way stronger than the 3/8. Got the Fit FAF teal walls 2.25, double wall front rim. I don't know if it's sealed or not. I don't know how to tell the difference. Here, let me get a better over here by light. Yeah, I don't know. But then I got some Mongoose PC pegs that I got from Walmart, holding up pretty well. Oh my gosh. Alright, Sapient Saga 2012 frame, full chromoly, 20.5. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about it. Did a custom paint job on it. It has like the I don't know, it kind of looks like some alligator skin or snake skin or something. Yeah, that's it for the frame. Couple dents here and there from riding. Got the Odyssey Monogram tripod seat with the Odyssey Monogram tripod seat post, stock seat post clamp. Twisted PC pedals. Got stock cranks, stock sprocket. And then I just got this Cult Halfling today. And I think it's I don't know. Is it on the wrong way? Is it upside down? I don't know. Fit FAF teal wall back 2.1 to stock rim, double wall 9-tooth driver, 14 mil, and then Mongoose peg again. I'll do a little hub sound for you guys. I don't know how I'm going to do that because I'm recording on an iPad and it's pretty damn huge. I don't know how that looks like. I don't know, whatever. Alright, so hub sound. It's just. Yep, that's the hub sound. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah. Comment, like, rate, do whatever the hell you want. See ya.